loss of life is a very sad thing. No one should lose a life, especially because of a tree. But now we have to go to the root of the problem of this tree. Why did it fall? It fell because the roots were damaged. See, this is a huge tree. The roots are extending up to here. They cut the tree because to build this footpath under the smart city program, they cut the roots. They extended the footpath. They built a footpath on the root. As a result, the roots became weak. I have written several times to the CCP, please do not damage the roots while constructing the footpath or the drains. The CCP has damaged several, and the smart city officials have damaged several trees in the city. Now, a life is lost. Now, who is responsible? We have to pinpoint the responsibility of the person of the authorities who damaged this tree, and that led to the death of a person. A person may be from wherever, but it is a loss of life. It should not happen to anybody. And because of the loss of this life, and because of these dangerous trees, they want to cut all the trees. So that means entire Panjim city will be shaved of all the trees or whatever they are planning as per the guidelines of the forest department. The forest officials themselves don't have experts on trees. That's the problem. I've asked the forest department, who are the experts, whether they've got training anywhere. They have absolutely no training. They don't know how to trim the trees. You see CCP how they trim the trees. They trim on one side, on the road side. As a result, you find even in a Kamat hotel, the tree fell because of the loss of balance. There are several trees being trimmed in a complete haphazard, unscientific manner because the people who are cutting the trees, the CCP, has nobody to give them expert guidance. I have put an RTI application. Till today they refuse to answer whether they have experts. They don't have any experts. They only have butchers to cut trees. So we need experts. We need to save these trees. We must find a solution. First of all, we have to protect the trees, the roots. The main cause of damage to trees is the CCP officials. They are causing the damage, and now they're blaming the trees. The trees are not to be blamed. It is the human who are danger to trees, not the other way around. The trees are not danger to human beings. It's the human beings who are causing danger to trees. As a result, the trees are falling in Panjim city. So we need to get these people accountable. Who was responsible for this tree damage of the roots of this tree that caused the death of a young girl? But that they are not interested. They are more interested in cutting and shaving the trees and trimming in the name of trimming and saving the trees, the dangerous trees they call. But these dangerous human beings who are causing danger to the trees, we have to get them to book. We have to make them accountable. How they made these trees dangerous? Several parts. I got photographs. I given written representation to the CCP. No reply. Last 3 years, no reply. How that last 2-3 years there's no reply. How these dangerous trees have been causing danger to people. This is an example. Standing example. See the root. Root was coming up to here, and this root was cut, and this barricade was created, cement barricade. NGT has given a clear order that that around the tree, the stem and the root of the tree, 1 meter distance has to be kept, which was not kept. I have shown them. I have quoted that order also, the NGT, National Green Tribunal, how the trees in the cities have to be protected or anywhere have to be protected. But the protection of trees, they are not concerned about protection of trees. What they are concerned is only butchering. That is the solution. They have only one solution because they have nothing in their brain to understand how we need to protect the environment. How do we need to protect our greenery of the city? But imagine you shave all the trees in Panjim. It looks so horrible. See Sanjini is how it looks now. Concrete jungle. They want to only shave trees. So please look beyond shaving trees, butchering trees. Look at a solution. Stop damaging the roots of the trees. If we don't damage the roots of trees, trees will not fall. Simple.